LearnWorlds and HubSpot, how they work together. Let's talk about how these two software tools, LearnWorlds and HubSpot, can work together to streamline your business efforts. If you're looking to boost your online courses while maintaining a solid CRM and marketing strategy, stick around. This video will show you how they connect and what the challenges are, plus an alternative you might want to consider. First off, LearnWorlds is one of the best platforms out there if you're looking to create and sell online courses. It's an all-in-one solution that allows you to build courses with rich multimedia, assessments, and even offers a white label option for those looking for a more branded experience. The platform is easy to use, but lacks a few advanced features that some other learning platforms have. If you're just starting, LearnWorlds is great, but it could be limiting once you want more customization or integrations. That's where HubSpot comes in. Next thing to note is HubSpot's strength as a CRM. It's the perfect solution for managing your contacts, automating emails, and running marketing campaigns. But when it comes to course creation, it's not quite there. HubSpot is an amazing tool for driving engagement and managing your customer relationships, but it's not designed for course creation or delivering online learning experiences. It's more of a marketing and sales powerhouse. Now, let's dive into how they can work together. By integrating HubSpot with LearnWorlds, you can sync your customer data, create segmented marketing campaigns based on course engagement, and track user behavior seamlessly. Imagine, if someone signs up for one of your courses, HubSpot can help you track their progress, send follow-up emails, and offer upsells for other courses, all while keeping everything automated. The fourth thing to note is automation. This integration can significantly reduce manual work by automating your customer journey. You can set up triggers in HubSpot to send emails based on actions taken within LearnWorlds, like course completions or engagement with specific content. This reduces the need for you to manually track and follow up on every customer, saving you tons of time. But here's the catch: while the integration does have a lot of potential, it can sometimes be a bit clunky. The learning curve for both platforms can be steep for those just getting started. Plus, the native integration between the two isn't as seamless as it should be, and might require some customization through third-party tools like Zapier. Now, here's the part where we get real. While LearnWorlds and HubSpot can complement each other, there's another software out there that might be a better fit for your goals. If you're looking for a platform that combines course creation and CRM seamlessly, you might want to check out Thinkific or Kajabi. These platforms offer smoother integrations and some more flexible features compared to what LearnWorlds and HubSpot offer together. But of course, every tool has its drawbacks. For instance, Thinkific and Kajabi might come with a higher price tag, but they can save you time in the long run due to their more intuitive design and built-in features. And now, for the best part. I've got an exclusive extended free trial for LearnWorlds and HubSpot, but I also have some amazing alternatives that may be a better fit for your business goals. These alternatives offer free trials as well, so you can dive in and test them out. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best trial offers and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, before you make a decision, check out the alternatives I've linked below and see which one best fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.